Hello, my name is Robert Crabtree, and I'm head of the software design team for Nashville High School's team ORCA, the Oceanic Recycling and Cleanup Association, and I am in charge of designing the program for our robot, Shamu. This is the program we use for our robot. We kept it simple because there was no need to make our program overly complicated. Simpler programs are more efficient and require less usage of hardware to run, allowing our robot's cortex to process information faster. When we first laid out our controls, we had our driving team tell us what they felt most comfortable with. What we came up with was a very user-friendly set of controls. Our main drive motor is controlled by channel 4, or the left joystick. This moves our robot left and right on the beam. We included a gain function in case we need to speed up or slow down the robot, and a deadband function to eliminate motor whine or unintended creep. Our robot's arm is controlled by channels 1 and 2, the right joystick. Channel 2, the up and down on the right joystick, works fighter pilot style, meaning that pressing up makes our arm go down, while pressing down makes our arm go up. Pressing left or right on our right joystick, channel 1, will make the robot's lower half rotate left and right. We included a deadband here too. We had problems here initially with the robot's function. Our drivers were having trouble with the arm moving up or down while they were moving it side to side. Tripling the deadband here solved the problem. Our claw is operated with the 6 up and 6 down buttons. Our drivers have different ergonomic preferences when it comes to the 6 up, 6 down orientation. Some prefer the 6 up button to open the claw, and others prefer the 6 down button to open the claw. The software design team was able to see that the robot hardware allowed for either orientation. Whichever 6 button the driver presses first, that button opens the claw, and the other button closes it. We achieved this by adding a stateflow diagram into our program. Again, going along with our simplistic robot theme, the stateflow is simple as well. It is essentially a pair of if statements in graphical form. Our program also controls a servo motor, which operates a gripper so we can pick up the filament tubes. We included a latch function to keep the servo in either position without having to keep the button pressed. This allows the driver to concentrate on maneuvering the arm into position without having to also remember to keep the button pressed down. Unfortunately, the mechanical engineering and construction teams couldn't make that part of the robot function, so it became a superfluous program element and was deleted from the final version of the robot program. Designing the robot's program for this year's competition was different compared to past years because this year's robot has very simple design parameters. Our sponsor encouraged us to find the simplest solution for every problem, and hopefully that philosophy is evident in the design and programming of our robot. The KISS principle lives on today in Shamu. Thank you all for your time and consideration of our project.